Programang nagbibigay saya at dagdag kaalaman sa araw mo. Level up your life with Smart Find and Fix sa Piece Abilities. Adventure awaits. Travel and explore sa Island Pinas. Know the stories behind the music. Judging the cinema. So this is my story. This is my song. Good vibes all the way. Sit down. Positive music. Positive news. Tikman ang kakaibang sarap ng Pilipinas. Sa sarap Pinoy. Stay healthy, naturally, and holistically. Live the healthy life. Be inspired by purpose-driven and inspiring stories of success. Live the awesome life. Celebrate culture, food, and world class. Hashtag Pinoy. Glow inside and out with Organic TV. Get inspired with extraordinary stories from ordinary people mula sa West Pilipinas. Step into the quiet space to praise and be filled with the spirit of worship sa solemn sessions. Kaya tara, sabay-sabay natin sulitin ang bawat kwento, kanta at adventure dito sa Live TV. Matapos man ang Enero, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang good vibes.
Yes, sir.
Dahil marami ang blessings ang naglilintay sa'yo araw-araw. The best is yet to come. Sa Christian Cinema, dito lang sa Live TV. Magkikilala na po ba ang susunod na programa ay rated PG? Ang telebisyon at pelikula ay mahalagang parte ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. It plays a crucial role in telling our own stories and our own experiences as Filipinos. Sa bagong Pilipinas, inaanyayahan ng MTRCP ang bawat manonood.
Kasama ang pribadong sektor, kaisa ninyo ako, ang aking pamilya, at ang ating pamahalaan sa pagtangkilik sa mga pelikulang Pilipino at mga programang pang-telebisyon. Dahil ang bagong Pilipino, ipinagmamalaki ang buong Pilipino. Tara, move tayo. Abangan ngayong linggo sa Daylight Devotion. Kasama sina
Salvation begins when we bring our problem to the right source. Kaya po nung sinabi ng people, all things work together for good does not equal na dapat natin tandaan, maniwala sa gagawin ng Diyos sa bawat araw ng ating buhay. Manampalataya that we are coming full circle with God when we stand at a very similar crossroad when we make such a metaphor tayo. Inaamin natin sa sarili natin, Panginoon, itong araw na ito, kailangan ko po kayo.
dito lang sa Live TV.
Pagmamahal ng Diyos, hindi arin ng mga righteousness exalts a nation, but sin is a disgrace to any people. Mabuhay tayo sa katotohanan, sa katotohanan, sa katotohanan.
Diyos at Bayan, tuwing Sabado at Linggo, alas 5 ng hapon at Miyerkules, tuwing 11 ng umaga. Ito lang sa Live TV. Ngayong hapon sa Live TV. Ito lang sa Live TV. Up next, DJ Revival of Live TV. Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Hello everyone, my name is Michael Cox. I'm the writer and host host of my radio and TV show, Teaching the Bible. My Bible teaching journey began right here in this school, as I wrote a Bible summary with my 11-year-old Sunday school student, which I still do. Well, word got out, and adults love my teachings too. This led me to write 8 Bible teaching books available on Amazon. It also led me to teach the Bible on radio and television in numerous countries across all 6 continents. So please join me today as I explain the Bible's major key events on Teaching the Bible. Teaching the Bible is a viewer or listener-supported program. Want to help keep it on the air? Please go to teachingthebible.net and kindly give $10.